you.
I'm glad to hear that, and thank you for your time. And before I begin the interview, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Siti Kroto Aini, but you can call me Aini.
Mhm.
And maybe you can introduce yourself before I ask my question.
Okay, my name is Sulistinawati. I am a teacher of SMP 1 Waru.
Okay. For the first question, what inspired you to become an English teacher?
My inspiration is because English is very important in our life, and I want to know more about English.
Okay. And the next, how long have you been teaching English?
I have been a teacher for almost 16 years old. 16 years.
And which school are you teaching right now? SMP one Waru.
Yes,
Yes.
I am a teacher in SMPN 1 Waru.
Okay. In your opinion, what is the biggest challenge in teaching English at the junior high school level?
The biggest challenge is how to make my students understand about my subject, and I must be patient to get them to be understood for almost my subjects.
Okay. How do you encourage students to actively participate in English lesson?
I always encourage them uh, to give them some games, or I give them some vocabularies to memorize, and I get them to include in small community in English.
Okay, next, do you focus more on the learning process or the final result grades?
Mm, in my opinion, I choose the process because final process is part of the process. Um, we can we can judge the student can can do our subject without without with the process, because uh, I am a teacher. I always see my student in their process day by day, not in the final exam.
Final quiz. And how do you provide feedback that motivates students to improve their English skill?
um, I always give them some prizes, or give them or verbal give word,
Rewards.
motivation word, or some prize or suggestion for encourage them to be more spirit in learning English language like this.
What are the most common difficult your student face when learning English? The most common difficulties your student face when learning English.
The common difficulties I found for almost I am a teacher, I find that they uh, feel difficulties in listening the the text and how to understand and how to read some text like this.
Okay. In your opinion, how important is English profession in today's global era?
I think English is very important for almost in every university and our life because English language is uh, global language to be learned for us, and we must know that from our elementary level, like in elementary school, or furthermore in kindergarten.
Okay, the last. What message would you like to give to future English teacher? Message would you like to give to future English teacher?
Mm, my
Message.
message is to be patient and to be spirit to be English teacher because our challenge is not uh, how to encourage ourselves to study English, but how to motivate them to enjoy and to love English. Maybe this is the basic uh, for English teacher, how to become our student is enjoy very fun in learning English like this because the biggest challenge is our student now is um, lazy or uh, there there are no spirit to learn, not for English, for every subject,
Subject.
I think like this.
Okay, ma'am. I think enough of my question. Thank you for your time.
Mhm.
Thank you, ma'am.